Welcome to our tutorial series on BirdDog Cloud, the ultimate solution for remote video production. I'm Jake Fineman, your host, and I'm excited to guide you through the incredible features of this game-changing platform. In this episode, we'll create our cloud account and install our first cloud endpoint. These endpoints serve as the gateways between your production locations, enabling you to transmit and receive your NDI content anywhere in the world. Let's dive in. We'll start at the BirdDog Cloud website, which you can find at birddog.cloud. Click on Try Now to begin. Enter your email address and account information to create your account. Once logged in, go to the main navigation drop-down menu and select Downloads to download the appropriate installer for your computer. We support Windows, Linux, and the new Apple Silicon. Now that we have the cloud installer, let's run it to begin the installation process. Once that's complete, Cloud will open with a pop-up window displaying a claim code. We use claim codes to associate your cloud endpoints within your cloud account. Click the claim URL in the pop-up window or use the main navigation in the BirdDog Cloud dashboard to go to the claim page. After claiming your endpoint, click Edit. We have a few things to fill out here. We need to give our endpoint a name, so I will name this endpoint Monterey. We can input remarks. I like to include my computer specs or any necessary notes for the production team here. We need to set the recording directory, as this is a mandatory step which enables you to record your streams upon transmission or reception to your cloud endpoints. I've created a folder on my drive called BirdDog Cloud Recordings. Lastly, you can set a thumbnail refresh time, which allows your endpoint to push a thumbnail frames to BirdDog Cloud dashboard. The thumbnails are helpful for visually confirming that your streams are active, live, and currently transmitting. Congratulations, you've successfully installed your first cloud endpoint. Continue this process for all of the production sites you wish to connect together. My Monterey endpoint is now ready to send and receive my content globally. That's all for today's video. Thanks so much for tuning in as we dive into BirdDog Cloud, the ultimate remote video production platform. Be sure to join us for the next episode where we'll create connections between our endpoints and start streaming our content. If you'd like to explore more about BirdDog and our ecosystem of industry-changing solutions, please visit our website at birddog.tv. If you have any questions or need further information on the topics we covered today, please contact us at hello@birddog.tv. If you are a BirdDog user who requires technical support with your gear, please email us at help@birddog.tv. Our technical support team is available and happy to assist you. Thanks again for your time today. Keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep producing amazing content. We look forward to having you join us in the next episode. Until then, happy producing.